Did you know your parents have been lying to you about cracking your knuckles your entire life? For decades, we've been warned that popping our joints causes arthritis. But here's the shocking truth. Medical research shows absolutely zero connection between knuckle cracking and arthritis. That satisfying pop? It's just nitrogen bubbles collapsing in your joint fluid, completely harmless. One determined doctor even cracked only his left hand for 60 years straight as an experiment. The result? No difference in arthritis between his hands whatsoever. The real kicker? Habitual knuckle crackers actually have better grip strength and hand function than people who don't crack at all. Your joints have been thanking you this whole time.